Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my crystal collection. Now I just wanted to come on here beforehand because yes, as you're aware, I do live quite a minimalistic lifestyle. I do not own a lot of belongings. However, when it comes to crystals, I have a ton, and I didn't really realise until this video how many I did have. Now I'm not saying that this is a bad thing. I personally use crystals in my practice pretty much every single day. They bring me a hell of a lot of joy. However, one of the reasons I decided to film this video was because when I was building my own collection, I was googling this and YouTubing this all the time to see what crystals people brought into their lives, if there was one that was kind of more popular than the other, and also their meanings. And so with this video I have attached the meaning to every single crystal on every slide, and I have also pinned these on Pinterest, so if you're interested in knowing kind of how to use the crystals after this video, there will be a link down below to the Pinterest board with all the information on, so it's there for you to download for free. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So we're going to start off in my front room, which is where most of my crystals are because I love to display them. I'm starting off with some of my key pieces. We've got a rose quartz spike. Rose quartz is a stone of universal love that restores trust and harmony to relationships. It's such a beautiful calming stone to have around you. Got some orange carnelian. Now carnelian restores the vitality and motivation and stimulates people's creativity. It gives courage and promotes positive life choices. This was a treat to myself, my little solar light unicorn. I absolutely love it. I waited about 8 months to get this, and it's just known for creativity and inspiration. And one of my first crystals here is orange calcite. Orange calcite is an extremely energizing and powerful cleansing stone. Now onto my little pot of goodies. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. And one of the first crystals we're going to pull out here is my Brazilian agate elephant. Now I leave this pointing to my door because it is an emotional, physical and intellectual balance, and elephants always offer protection. This I got for Christmas, my rose oil quartz for my little brother, and it's just a rising energy of love. It's a gemstone that relieves loneliness and anxiety, and it's absolutely stunning. I've also got three pieces of amethyst. There's two here for you. Amethyst is a stone of spiritual protection, purifying and cleansing, and this is a stone that everyone must have in their collection. Got some smoky quartz here. This again was one of the first crystals I got. It gently neutralises negative vibrations and also helps with some creativity. So if you're stuck, make sure you grab this. Now I had to include this rose quartz because this is something that Sol got me for our first anniversary. It means a lot to me. Opalite is a wonderful serene crystal. It's a stone of love but also rewards faithful lovers. I've got a beautiful cat, and also, as you'll see later, I've got a really nice ring as well. Now this malachite egg is a protection stone. It absorbs negative energies, and you can also get it in raw form here, but if you do get it in raw form, make sure that you keep it in its case because it can be dangerous. I picked up some green opal earlier this year. This stone is all about the heart chakra. It's here to provide nourishing and regenerative energies to anyone who is struggling with emotional heartache. Peacock ore, also known as bornite, is used during the rebirthing process. It helps align all your chakras as well as activating individual ones as well. So the stone of happiness and joy. Cinnabar is such a peaceful, centric stone. It comes from the word dragon blood, and it's said to attract abundance and bring increased wealth into businesses, which is why I got it. And also citrine. This was one of the first ones I got, and I've also got some necklace form. It is really good at stimulating all your chakras and also bringing abundance to your business. Rainbow quartz comes in so many different shapes and colours. I've got a beautiful red rainbow quartz here. It's just a gemstone that makes people feel positive. It's absolutely brilliant to have around. I've got some rhodocrystalite here. This is a gorgeous deep pink crystal that activates the heart. And I've also got some grey lace agate. Agate comes in different shapes and sizes, but it offers strength, protection and grounding. You often find agate in worry stones. And I've also got a red jasper wand in my little pot of goodies. Red jasper is really good for bringing strength to emotional issues and also increase your sexual drive. Now I do have a shelf full of tumble stones. If you want to know what tumble stones I have and also kind of what their meanings are, I did go through this on my Instagram page because most of these crystals I actually got for a advent calendar this year. So I literally go through days 1 to 24 of all of the tumble stones I have, and also a few of the other tumble stones. So make sure you head over to Instagram. My tag is at TheLifeOfEm, and all of these obviously are found in December 2019. Now I've also got a few jewellery pieces here, but the most important jewellery piece I own is my moldavite necklace. Now moldavite is an extremely high vibrational crystal, and it facilitates strong, clear, direct connection between you and the universal source. So it does sometimes take a bit of use to wearing it. And I've also got a blue gold stone man-made here from my nan. And I also have a fertility bracelet. We won't go too much into that one. And some rings here. There's my opalite ring and also my titanium quartz ring here as well, but I'll go into that just in a minute. So going on to the main kind of other section of my living room, I have a blue agate bookend here. I actually found this in a normal store, and blue agate just brings calmness to you and your surroundings. It's got a beautiful healing energies. And another high vibrational crystal here, lapis lazuli. If you can get your hands on this, grab it while you can. It is the most sought after stone because of its wisdom. Got some pyrite here, also known as fool's gold. This is a really good stone to obviously bring wealth into your life and to stimulate your memory. I've got this lovely piece of apophyllite with stilbite on it. Apophyllite is a stone of high consciousness and vibration, and stilbite is a gentle stone that increases awareness of the universe around you, so you often find them together. Also got some angel phantom quartz here. Angel phantom quartz helps you connect and reach a higher vibration with the angelic realm. It's kind of in the name. And I've got some fluorite. I love fluorite. I've got lots of fluorite in my house. This is a highly protective stone, useful for grounding and harmonizing spiritual energies. My little granddad Buddha here, lepidolite. I actually picked this stone up when my granddad passed away. It is really good for relieving anxiety, stress, and just help with any transition periods. I've got a green onyx egg here. This is a symbol of restfulness and purity. I actually found this in a charity shop. It helps relieve tension, stress and fear. One of my beautiful clusters here, Angel Aura. Angel Aura quartz is a very peaceful crystal and helps you align all your chakras and reach the angelic realm once again. I've got some celestite. Celestite brings harmony and balance to you and assists the holder in finding and maintaining inner peace. And finally, some spirit quartz. A spirit quartz is a stone that can help you purify and protect you. It also has the ability to connect you to the spirit realm and uplift your soul. And titanium aura quartz, I mentioned this earlier, but it is believed to clear a pathway for vital life force to flow within you to release your kundalini energy, aligning all your chakras. Now moving on to my bedroom here, I do have two crystals in my bedroom. The first one is this beautiful, very large selenite lamp. Now selenite is used as a protection stone. It can help amplify and cleanse other crystals and also activate your crown chakra. It's really good for calming effects. And I've got this quartz geode from Christmas here. Quartz is just the be all and end all crystal, and clear quartz protects against negative energy. So that is all for this video. I hope to see you again next week. And as always, stay safe, and if you can, like and subscribe. Thank you.